In this video, I'll show you how to get rid of your rust drip for dirt cheap, super quick. So we have this gorgeous white car with some rust drip. We have just a little bit of rust starting to bubble up here, which the rust color makes sense, but it's dripped all the way down here, it's over here, and it's on the entire bottom of this trunk lid. So to make this look better on our ultra budget Mercedes, we're going to get rid of this rust drip. So as you can see here, I'm using a microfiber towel and a product called rubbing compound to get rid of this rust drip. I'm just taking the rubbing compound, putting it on the microfiber, and rubbing it in to the rust drip, to the paint, so that it eliminates the rust drip and gets it off of the surface of the paint. That's really it for this video, a super short tutorial, but it doesn't take much work to fix rust drip. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content from me, and drop a comment down below as to what you want to see. Do you want to see more flips, more marketing, or more tutorials just like this? Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.